Ready to dive into the world of crypto, but unsure where to start? Today, we're breaking down how to buy Bitcoin directly within the Revolut app, making it simple and secure. Let's get started. First things first, if you're new to Revolut, you'll need to download the app and create an account by providing your personal details like name, address, and date of birth. Next, Revolut requires identity verification. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID, like a passport or driver's license, and taking a selfie to confirm it's really you. Now that your account is verified, it's time to add funds. Tap the Add Money button and choose your preferred method. Bank transfer, debit card, or credit card are all options. Once your account is funded, navigate to the crypto section within the app. You can usually find it by tapping crypto on the bottom menu. Here, search for Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin, and you will be taken to the Bitcoin page where you can view charts, news, and buy options. To buy, tap Buy or similar button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase in your local currency and confirm your order. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin on Revolut. You can monitor your investments performance on the portfolio screen and manage your cryptocurrency holdings all in one place.